Welcome to CCB Technology, business IT that is relationship focused. Here at CCB, we're passionate about our client success, and since IT is really about the people who use the technology, we're inspired by the relationships that we build. Hey, but being tech geeks, we find the continuous evolution of IT pretty exciting as well. We believe in building long-term relationships with honesty and integrity that can never be compromised. We value a strong, positive work culture because loving where we work helps our customers love working with us. And when it comes to fun, we love kicking back together with our customers, our team members, and our business partners, because that's where we really get to know each other. For nearly 3 decades, our mission every day is to help our clients achieve their goals and dreams through technology, and that drives us to provide excellence in everything we do. If you've never experienced an IT provider that is relationship focused, we invite you to get to know CCB. Give us a call, attend an event, or learn more about us on our Meet CCB page. We are committed to helping you accomplish great things through technology.